Okay, this is Charles.
Charles. Not Chuck, not Charlie. No, Charles.
Minutes up.
So the one thing I didn't tell you, if you pull this away from their head, you have a little more control over their head. So he stiffened a little bit. He's coming back. Got a little wiggle there, so that's good. The first time I touched him, he stiffened a little bit. No, Cora. Charles, come here. You're strong, Charles. Come here. Come here, buddy. There's food over there. Gosh, he's strong. Come here, buddy. There we go. Come here. Hey, what's he mean? It's all about me today, Charles. Come here. You gotta show me some loving. So the sniffing's not sociable. You gotta show me some loving, buddy. Come on. Come on, show me some loving. Come on. Let's see it. Come here. Come here. I want him to engage with me. He hasn't even engaged with me. Come here. What's that? Let me see. Yeah. Good. Come here. I didn't want to spook you. So I brace my elbow here so that if he does turn on me, I've got his head. And I keep my head up and away. So his tail is low. He's still distracted.
His eyes are pretty soft.
Squinty. Yeah, his eyes are squinty. He's curved, which is nice. Huh. You engage with me now? You want to play? Come on, play football. Come on. Come on, Charles. Yes, good boy. Look, come on. Come on. I'm going to do it one more time. Go. Good. Good. So he was afraid he could have easily aggressed at me, and he didn't. So that was a good choice. Good. That was very good. You could have bit me. I was almost hesitant to do the third tap because of the way he was crouched. I thought, well, try it. And you didn't. You did good. Huh? Yes, you did. You're a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. Squeeze. And again, I've got my arm brace, so he just turns his head. I've got my hand. Squeeze. And I'm keeping my head away from him. Good boy. Come here, it's all done. What? Yes, come here. It's just not real social though, you know? He's not scary, you know, he softens when he looks at me. He just, you know, he doesn't want to. Alright, resource. Might get a whole lot better. Bone? Go, good boy. Good boy. Chew it. Here. All right. Let's try the bowl. I need to get a hand. Goodness, no. We'll feed you all too well. We don't miss any meals. You care about that? All right. Well, you want to see him with you? Oh, good Charles. Good boy. Nice. That was nice.